sky up here is also rather forbidding.
So cool. Science. What's the fastest hurricane ever recorded? Well, that's a wicked cool question, and I got a wicked cool demo that's gonna have you blown away. And if you think that's bad, yeah, you know what's really bad? Back in the 50s, they told people if an atomic bomb ever hits, to duck and cover.
Duck and cover.
Because today, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own hurricane right at home. You know, like how the government creates hurricanes, you know, by seeding clouds. But somehow, yet, you know what? They can't seem to fix a pothole outside my home. And if you're wondering why they name hurricanes after women, it's because, you know, you ignore the warnings when they approach, and when they leave, well, you can say goodbye to happier things. Start by getting yourself a bowl and then fill the bowl with water. Use a spoon to rotate the water. Then drop a single drop of food coloring in the dish. And check it out, you have your very own hurricane right at home. Whoa, now see, that's so friggin' wicked cool. See, you have your own model of a hurricane right there in the dish, right there using food coloring, and it's so wicked cool. See, because you're not even thinking that's cool, but it is really wicked cool, because see, you make a hurricane right there, and you can make a hurricane. So, how do hurricanes actually form in nature anyways? And what is the actual fastest recorded hurricane known? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. These storms form when oceans are heated by the sun to temperatures of about 27 degrees Celsius or higher. This warm water begins to evaporate quickly into the atmosphere, forming multiple thunderstorms. Hot air from all over the storm gets squeezed near low-pressure areas and starts to spiral upward, forming the eye of the storm. The cold air slams into the hot rising air, pushing it outward, where it cools, sinks on the outer edge of the storm, gets heated by the ocean, and spirals back up the eye of the storm to fuel the cyclone. The atmosphere rises at the equator and sinks at the poles. However, because the Earth is spinning, the atmosphere is pushed westward. This atmosphere pushes on tropical cyclones, causing them to rotate counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere, clockwise in the southern hemisphere. The highest wind speeds recorded here on Earth were 400 kilometers an hour. However, on Neptune, the Great Dark Spot, which is basically a hurricane, has wind speeds of 2,000 kilometers an hour. Mercury doesn't have enough of an atmosphere and is the only planet in our solar system that can't form hurricane-like storms. So now you know more about vortexual storms. You know, being able to make your own hurricane right at home is why science is not just hot air.